guys, it's me. Today I just felt like decorating my room in a weird way. I have a lot of things in my room. I have a lot of color schemes going on. I love pastel, so you can see it like sprinkled around my area. I like things to be colorful. My room just means like a whole lot to me, and when it's empty and bare, I can't focus and I can't like work on things, and I'm not as motivated to do things as I would be if my space was really pretty. So my backboard for my bed, it's over there. My backboard for my bed is like dark brown. It doesn't fit anything else in my room. Any other furniture, like these units that I have here, are white, and then there's this stark big brown headboard that I have to use because it comes with the apartment. And so I'm trying to think of a little hack that I can do and just tape on some scrapbook paper to the different sections that I have on my backboard. And I think that would be really fun, and I think it would just add a little pop of color to my bed, because really the only color that I have on my bed right now is light pink, and that's a little boring and we need to spice it up a little bit. So I might do some other things around my room, but that's gonna be the main thing. It might be the hardest thing, and it might end up looking tacky as all hell, but I don't know. I like DIYing things for my room, so we should see how things turn out. Might even enlist my boyfriend to help me. Are you gonna help me?
Sure.
I need some help. But that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll take you with me. So I put my hair up because it was getting in the way. Every time I like went down, it was in my face. So if you see any wig, snatching, that's why, okay? We were not prepared for this. This is my lovely, handsome boyfriend. He will be helping me today.
Hello.
We're gonna need scissors. We're going to need a pile of
Everything.
I have a lot of scrapbook paper. I love scrapbook paper, and I almost never end up using it. So I've got holiday scrapbook paper, I've got regular scrapbook paper. If you need scrapbook paper, I'm your mother hecking girl. So I've even got like these cute mermaids and stuff like that. So you're also going to need a ruler, because this is the area that I'm talking about. I kind of just want to add a bunch of like pastel things here. I might count it and do a rainbow. I'm not sure. We're gonna play around with it. But first things first is I'm gonna have to choose all of the paper that I want to use, cut it out to the length that I need, and then go from there. So we're just gonna start doing that. So my boyfriend and I just finished picking out the different colors. We measured, and there are 15 of these little spaces that we need to fill. Some of my scrapbook paper is a little bit shorter, so I'm gonna have to kind of Frankenstein it a little bit down here. Well, most of all of them. Actually, that fits very well. But there are some shorter ones, such as this, that I'm gonna have to like cut into little pieces to make it fit all the way down for my bed. I'm not sure how I'm gonna attach it. I might just be janky and like put a little tape on the back, do the little loop-de-loop tape. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to measure these spaces, how far along we want them to be, and then cut them out with our scissors, and then we're gonna start taping them up, and hopefully it will look good. Here are the pieces that I kind of chose. So my color palette kind of looks like this, and we're gonna start measuring and cutting and figuring it all out. So let's do it. it's been a little bit of time. It took some time to cut them all out and measure them and everything, but we have got our like little rectangles. We even have like some that are gonna have to be glued on like this, but they're all cut out. They're looking really good. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line them up on my bed, and I'm gonna try and figure out what the best like color palette is. That way I'm not like moving them around on here, just to like kind of pre-plan and see what I want to do. Okay, so I'm deciding to use washi tape on this because I could use regular tape, but I don't have regular tape. I only have washi tape and packaging tape, and I don't think packaging tape would be really nice on this, especially since it's not my headboard. So I'm gonna try this, and if it doesn't work, I'll think of something else, maybe go to packaging tape, but we're gonna try and make it work. So this is what it ended up looking like. I think it looks really cool. I think it brightens this whole area of my bed. I've just never taken pictures around this area, or just like, I don't know, like this area because it was so brown and dark and the rest of my room is so bright and happy. But now that it looks like this, it looks really good. Now I have some pointers. When you're using washi tape, make sure to do like the little loop-de-loop flap and put the closed end like wherever you like put the tapes on, like, how do I explain it?
Where the loop's connected.
Like where the loop is connected, put that face down onto the piece of paper and then stick it on. And you're gonna want to use at least like 5 pieces of tape on the back of it, and make sure that you're using a more papery type of washi tape instead of like that waxier type, because the waxier type lifts off the paper and it's not going to stick as easily as that papery type of wax paper because it sticks to itself so easily. Anyway, I think that this looks really nice. I'm actually very proud of it. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about it?
I think the array of colors fits in nice.
Yeah, I think it like fits. It's not like too much because I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. I might add like some greenery like that I have here, but I think it looks pretty cool. So thank you guys so much for watching me like DIY this area of my room. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment, telling me what you think about this DIY, and I'll see you guys next time. So bye.